We are watching out for you this morning. Recently, there's been positive news from leading vaccine manufacturers in the United States that we could have a vaccine ready to distribute by January. News 5's Renee Skinner joining us live to talk more about a hurdle that those experts are saying could cause a lot of folks to skip out on actually getting that vaccine. Good morning, Renee.
Good morning, Bree. That's right. And that hurdle is actually gaining the public's trust. Think about it. There is so much misinformation in general out there about vaccines. So experts are saying we may have a hard time talking people into getting the vaccine, especially the people who will be asked to take the vaccine first, those healthcare workers out there who are on the front lines. There is even a recent poll that backs that idea up. It found that nearly 34% of people just aren't interested in receiving the vaccine. Experts say most Americans are in a wait-and-see mode regarding COVID-19 vaccines. For some, the risk of the pandemic is just not enough to warrant taking what they view as a rushed and therefore risky vaccine. Others have faith in medicine and the scientists producing it, but question whether the speed of development is influenced by politics. In a recent study, African Americans and Native Americans are much less trusting about information concerning COVID-19.
One of the things that is missing are messengers from each of the communities that are expressing these same issues.
The fact that politics has entered in this at all is tragic. The fact that science could be viewed through a political lens when it is science. You know, you can have an opinion, but you can't have your own science.
Now, I should mention that experts point to a history of disenfranchisement from the healthcare system that has caused a lot of minority groups to have their own mistrust when it comes to taking vaccines. And one way to fix the mistrust, though, is to develop a better vaccine infrastructure system where the public is given transparency and information on how the vaccine is performing and a consistent message from all scientists involved. Now, the good news is the leaders in our state are aware of the mistrust that often comes with talking about vaccines, and they have a full plan ready to go when a vaccine becomes available. If you'd like to take a look at that plan, visit KOAA.com. Always watching out for you, El Paso County. Renee Skinner, News 5.
All right, thanks, Renee. And don't forget, with all this changing minute by minute, you can get news anytime on your schedule. Just check for KOA News 5 on your streaming services, Roku, Amazon, Apple, or Android TV.